Okay, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change out your rollers on your Peacehelder Junior Model 600R. So let's just say you've worn the rollers out or the gears are worn out and you've ordered a replacement roller set and you want to change them out. I'm going to show you how to do that real quickly and easily. So if you order the roller set, you should have a short shaft and a long shaft. One of them's threaded and one of them has a long end where you can attach your drill or a mixer. And you should get, in addition to that, 3 of these nylon bushings. Your 4th bushing is already attached to the shaft. First thing you want to do is take your Peacehelder that you're replacing the rollers on, take a 10mm wrench and loosen up the nut. And you may have to hold with your finger the head of the bolt on the back to keep it from turning, or use another wrench if you want to hold it tightly. But it comes apart pretty easily. Take the nut off. Slide off the plate. When it comes off, the long shaft's going to come with it because of the bushing is attached to it. So you're going to take that bushing with the shaft, set it aside, and you want to go ahead and pop out these other bushings too, because you'll get a new set. So take that bushing out, you're left with the plate. Then you're going to take out your other roller, and it won't have any bushings on it. Set it aside, and then on the rest of this assembly, you're going to take out these other 2 bushings and pop them off as well. So just pop them out with your finger. And then the first thing to do to reassemble them, take your new bushings, put the first one in, the second one back in. And then you're going to take your top roller, which is the long one, and you're going to put the roller in gears first. So put it in there, top hole. And a little tip here is that you can look at the roller itself, and there's 2 little grooves in the roller on the inside where it attaches to the shaft itself. Orient those vertically, so up and down on your Peacehelder. And then take your short shaft with the threads on it. You're going to take it, again, gear down, and assemble it. And you're going to look at the end of this one, and you can see where the shaft is attached to the green roller. So there's 2 notches, one on each side. There's actually a metal part in there on the shaft itself that holds the green roller on. You want to orient that one horizontally, so they need to oppose each other. So you put that one in there, and then you're going to take your other nylon bushing, put it on this shaft. Again, you already have one assembled on that one. And then take your plate again that you took off before, fit it back on. It should fit all down in there. Take the nut, put it back on your bolt. And just get it hand tightened. Again, the whole time I'm doing this, I'm holding this bolt head on the bottom. Then once you get it pretty tight, take your 10mm wrench and just tighten it up. I'm holding it on the back here to get it tight. The wrench, it doesn't have to be overly tight. And you should be good to go at that point. It should spin freely, shouldn't be any binding in there, and you're ready to shell peas again.